Welcome to lecture series on design and analysis of algorithm. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the notion of algorithm. So these are the topics we are going to see today in our lecture. So initially, let us discuss about what algorithm is all about, and we will discuss the notion of algorithm. Later, we will move on to discussing about properties of algorithm, followed by its characteristics and how to write an algorithm. So, in the previous lecture on data structures, we have seen the need for data structure, its types, and why algorithm analysis is required and types of algorithms. So, today we will see about the notion of algorithm. So, what do you identify from the picture? Here it is about solving a problem. First picture shows a problem of solving a Rubik's cube, whereas second picture shows the problem of solving some maths. So, yes, as we have said, the answer is problem solving. So, now arises a question. When you are given with many problems, how to solve a particular problem? Here is the answer to that particular question. So, algorithm is used to solve a particular problem by providing step-by-step instruction. Here is a definition. So, it is a sequence of unambiguous instruction for solving a particular problem, which is for obtaining a required output for any legitimate output input in a finite amount of time. So here the term unambiguous instruction has been highlighted. So the step-by-step instruction that you're writing to solve a particular problem has to be very clear and there should not be any confusions. That is why it is insisted that the instruction has to be unambiguous. So the input to an algorithm is a problem to be solved. For that problem, you will write the algorithm. The algorithm is converted into a computer program. So we will give set of inputs to the computer program, which in turn generates a specific output. Here are some of the properties of an algorithm. It has to be unambiguous for each step of algorithm. It should not be compromised. Similarly, the range of input for which an algorithm work has to be specified clearly. For a same problem, if you the various algorithms would have been written that can be of different ideas and can solve the particular problem in a precise way. So, say, which means the same algorithm can be represented in several different ways because the idea varies from individual to individual. So, the perspective may vary. There may exist several algorithms for solving the same problem. It is based on different ideas and it may work with dramatically different speed as well. Here are some of the characteristics of algorithm. It has to be unambiguous. It should have specific number of inputs and it should generate an output and it should terminate in finite number of steps. It should be feasible, which means it is possible to execute that algorithm and it should be independent. Irrespective of any programming language, the algorithm you have defined should work. So this is what the characteristics of algorithm is all about. Here are some of the steps for writing an algorithm. It consists of header section, uh, the algorithm name of the algorithm along with the parameters mentioned here. Then you will give the problem description followed by its input and output. So in the body of algorithm, you will use if statements, conditional statements, any loops or identifiers, reading the input or writing the output, all those things are specified. So now, here is assessment for you to evaluate your understanding. So which one is not characteristics of an algorithm? Of all the four, which one is not the characteristics? We have seen ambiguity. It is not the characteristics. Yes. No, it is a characteristics. Definiteness is also characteristics. Finiteness is yes, and efficiency may not be the characteristics. So write the two parts in writing an algorithm. What are the two parts we have seen? It should have header section, input, output, and body section. So these are the various parts in writing an algorithm. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.